So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to showcase how to remove back lamps Ford Cmax 2015-16 till 2019. This one is already damaged, so we're gonna throw that away, but three are quite nice. So what you want to do, open up, and to take out the left outside, so we have this, and then there is two holders. I'm not really sure if you'll be able to see. Just move this a little bit. So that's the one, and the other one is on this side over here. So you can try by hand, but usually it does. Oh, we have luck, it does go by hand. So just turn it around. They are kind of long, so be patient and try not to lose them while you're doing it. So as you can see, this one, and there is another one. Let me unscrew it. So it's over here, you can feel it. Yeah, this one goes as well. So let me take it out. So the second one, so those are the tools, and then you can proceed to taking it out. The pin is somewhere around here, so you want to be careful when you're taking it out. You don't want to, because they tend to break over here, so that's quite a painful process to be honest. So need to be careful. If you're not really sure, maybe leave it to professional, but yeah. So we wanna make it like this a little bit, and then I'm not sure if it's possible to see, but the pin is right here. So you need to use plastic tool, click it somewhere around here. So let's say around over here, and usually what I do, I just move it like this a little bit, and sometimes it does go, sometimes not really. So just clicking it out, as you can see here, here's the pin and here's the hole. So once you put it back, use some spray, silicone or something, anything that will help you to pull it easier if you have to do it once again. So after that, just unclick this one, so push over here and click it out. So you see, you need to push it inside, so that's the only thing that's holding it in the place. So one down, three more to go. So yeah, this one we had luck, it went really easy. And now same process on this side. So as you can see, that's the one pin, electricity, and another pin is over here. So I'm gonna take those out. So I took both, they went quite nice. So you can use a screwdriver if it doesn't go, so but use just a bigger one, or I like to use this one or this one, so because sometimes they are just kind of stuck. So let's see how this one will go. Oh, really nice. So it went out quite easy. I'm gonna unplug the electricity. So once again, if you are removing and put it back, use some silicone. It will help you later on if you need to do it again. So here, let's take this out, and number 2 is done. Number 2 is done. so no damages on this one, really nice. So I have a pair of these. So if you came already till this point, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help grow the channel and it will help me in any case. So now let's move to this over here. So as you can see over here, you have this point where you wanna use your screwdriver. So either use a screwdriver like this or some plastic tools. So we have this one to unscrew, and then it's just pull. Let me check if it's going. Yeah, this goes as well, so I'm kind of happy for that. Sometimes they really don't wanna go. So we have for the ones on the bonnet is just one screw. You take it out, try not to lose it, and then should be easier just from this side. Let's see if it goes or not. Oh, this one is quite stuck, so it's gonna be a little bit of two-hand job. So once again, plastic tool somewhere around over here. Yeah, as you can see, it did a little bit out. So over here, this, I would call this lucky, because both went quite easy out. And now somewhere around here, I believe. Oh. As I said, with one hand, quite not so easy job. You don't wanna lose them, so unclick for electricity, and here you can see the points. So 1, 2, and the third one is over here with that one screw. So yeah, as you can see, same goes when you're putting it back. It should be like this. So that's the one. Let's put it with the rest. And now the second one. This one was damaged, so you take this bad boy out, unscrew this, and move on to the front side, I mean outside. So after unscrewing, plastic tool, this one is broken, so I don't really care that much. As you can see, not really something to do with one hand, but this one was damaged, so you are replacing this anyhow. So I don't know what's really the damage over here. Besides this, it got some little tape on it. So let's see. Job done. Job done. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and yeah, see you next one. So till next one, see you.